Welcome to this video. Video we will solve a 3-mark question that came in the model paper of 2021. Positive integers andreno. Positive integers andre it is more than 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 atra. Odd positive integers andreno. Odd positive integers andre these are not even numbers. They are not divisible by 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So those are odd positive integers. Consecutive odd positive integers andrenu. Consecutive odd positive integers andre akka pakka iruvantaha odd number. For example, 1 and 3 are consecutive odd positive integers. 5 and 7 are consecutive. Okay, so we have to find two such numbers. Yavtara numbers whose squares is 290. Squares 290. Adanna use madkondu we have to find such positive integers. This is a 3-mark question. Okay, so let's try to solve this question. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ I'll explain to you in detail. If you think of it, any odd number can be written as 2n plus 1. Where n is an integer. So 2n plus 1 anta baribodu any odd number. Even number na 2n anta baribodu. 2n plus 1 andre yake, for example, n plus 1, if you substitute the value of 1, you will get 3. n plus 2n plus 1, if you substitute the value of 2, you get 5. Atara sigute. So any odd number, you can write it as 2n plus 1. Even number is 2n. Then use madre, we can say that the two odd numbers which are consecutive are 2 times n minus 1 plus 1 and 2n plus 1. n minus 1 yake andre because they are consecutive. Okay, this is the interesting and useful bit. Idanna ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ. 2 times n minus 1 plus 1 and 2n plus 1 idu consecutive odd positive integers where n is greater than 0. Idana simplify madidre you get 2n minus 1 nodi illi 2n minus 2 plus 1, that becomes 2n minus 1 and you get 2n plus 1. So these are the two odd consecutive positive integers that we are looking for. Yen kottidare next they have given that the sum of the squares of these two numbers is 290. Adarartha 2n minus 1 whole square plus 2n plus 1 whole square equals 290. This is what they've given. Okay. So ee notation nalli barkolodu tumbane useful. You'll understand why. Because if you see this is like a minus b whole square and this is like a plus b whole square. Because it is like a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square, the 2ab term cancel agate. Cancel adre niಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, so let's look at how to solve this now. We had 2n minus 1 whole square plus 2n plus 1 whole square equals 290. ಅದನ್ನು expand ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, if you expand that, you get 4n square, that is 2n whole square, 4n square, minus 4n, that is minus 2 times 2n times 1, 4n, minus 4n, and then you have plus 1. 1 square is, minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Adhe tara 2n plus 1 whole square is 4n square plus 4n plus 1. Okay. Right hand side, no change, it is 290. Now, if you look at this equation nodidre, you can simplify this by adding this like terms. So 4n square becomes 8n square, minus 4n plus 4n becomes 0, 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Right hand side remains 290. Adanna munde simplify madidre 8n square becomes 290 minus 2, 2 right hand side ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ, which is 288. ಇನ್ನೂ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ n square is 288 divided by 8. ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will see that it is 36. So n square becomes 36. 36 is 6 square, which means n is plus or minus 6. We have not written plus or minus 6 here because we know that the integers are positive. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು -6 ಅನ್ನು ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ 2n 2 times n minus 1 plus 1 ಅಂತ, ಅದನ್ನು 2n minus 1 ಅಂತ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, which is whose value is 11. ಯಾಕೆ 2 times 6 is 12, 12 minus 1 is 11. Second positive integer is 2n plus 1, which is, and that equals 13. Okay. So ಈ ಥರ we found the two consecutive integers, two consecutive odd positive integers whose sum of squares is 290. So ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ದ ಮೇನ್ ಏನಂದರೆ we represented the number in the form 2n plus 1. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ the 4n term got cancelled and it became quite easy to solve. ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಥರನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, where you represent the first number as, like, let's say x and the second number as x plus 2. ಆವಾಗ it become a quadratic equation and it is a different way of solving. You'll get the same answer. I've shown it in this form. Okay. ಹೋಪ್ಫುಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ವಿದಾಯ. ಬಾಯ್.